the blending factor with the microstrand technology for making your hair fuller. The blending factor is very important for making your hair fuller, or for you as a hair professional to offer a way to make hair fuller that keeps the existing client's hair safe, healthy, and growing free. Remember, that's the main principle of the microstrand technology. So 1 human hair at a time is fed onto this. That becomes one example, this, showing that you could see right through this. If you notice, look, you see directly right through that, where you blend it between the client's own hair, or your hair if you're an individual, and see and feel nothing but their own existing hair. That's very, very important. The blending factor means when you feed 1 human hair at a time in between the client's hair, in between your hair, there's something called the blending factor. The blending factor means even distribution of single human hairs going in between your hair, or in between your client's hair, creates an amazing natural look with amazing features and amazing options. Because when you blend single hairs in between, and I want you to imagine this. Somebody has thin hair, you have thin hair, your client has thin hair. And imagine we just taking one hair in between their own hair. Think about that. That means it will blend in perfectly no matter what. You can match the color, you can match the texture, you could put different colors, you could put different textures, all based on what is called the blending factor. That's only possible through the microstrand technology. The only technology in the world that keeps your client's hair safe and healthy while making it fuller and allowing you to go right down to the scalp as if nothing is there. If you're an individual, click the button below, schedule a phone or video call. If you're a hair professional and you want to offer this, click the button below and apply to get a free personalized website with your name and your contact information in it with free training, all right? So individual, click the button below, schedule your own video call or regular call. And if you're a hair professional, there's a limited time offer to a limited amount of hair professionals to get that free personalized website.